What's up, guys? Welcome back to episode 2 of The Source, where we talk about what's happening in the market, Bitcoin, shitcoins, hot news on CT, you name it, we're going to say it. Powered by Limitless, an exchange here on Base. They just had their launch yesterday, actually, their token launch, which is hugely successful. We're going to be looking to place a bet here before we get into the video, and then head back to it later on, and maybe into another video. So I'll just see if I can find something. Alright, so I found one that I'm quite interested to bid on. Now this is the H-bar call. This ends in 9 hours and it needs to be above 0.17467. So we're going to trade in view, and I reckon there's a fucking 174. So this is up here, right? 17467. So let's just say here, above here in 9 hours, I reckon I can do it. I'm pretty bullish on Bitcoin, so fuck it, I'm going to place a bet. And I like the odds. So let's do it. Is it still? Yeah, it is. So we're going to go yes, and I'm going to put 50 bucks on. And if this wins, hang on, let's just go max here. What is it? Okay, to win $457. If we win this bet, I'm going to give away 100 bucks. So there'll be 2 people that win $50 each. In the chat, comment below if you think I'm going to win or not. Or I'm just going to be giving it back to people that comment on the post. You're going to like, retweet, leave a comment. And if I win this bet, then tomorrow's video, we're going to be giving away to the 2 lucky winners. Right, let's get into it. So if you didn't see, over the last 48 hours, it's been pretty crazy. Coinbase has officially announced that they've acquired Echo for $375 million. Echo is a private pre-sale platform that's been built for retail investors, communities, VCs to participate in these private ICOs. That was started by Kobe in like 2023, I believe. So they've pocketed 375 mil just in a couple of years' work. So that's actually pretty fucking impressive. So good on him. Big shout out to him. And if you didn't see, Trump has officially pardoned CZ, which has just been absolutely crazy. I don't think many people saw this coming, but CZ was the Binance CEO and then went to jail for like 2 months or something. He's just gone from villain to VIP just instantly, and it's just been fucking crazy, man. This crypto president just keeps on delivering, so hopefully we see more of that. The next thing that people are trying to guess and front run is he going to pardon SBF, the old FTX CEO? I don't know about that. Maybe it's worth a bid. Let me know below what you think. And amid all this chaos, there's been a few bullish announcements that I feel has slipped under the radar a bit. But Aave are proposing a $50 million annual buyback, which has been voted by the governance vote. MegaEth has leaked a mega token for L2 scaling wars. Stablecoins hit $46 trillion transfers year to date, bigger than Visa. And Kraken's revenue doubles to $1.5 billion. So it's hard to be bearish in times like this. There's barely any top signals at the moment. Fucking lock in. It's time to make some money. Don't give up. Right now it's all about surviving and just fucking going for it, man. As for Bitcoin, it's looking really good. In the last video we were talking about how, I think we were about down here from memory, and we're talking about how the support was very important, and we've bounced off this 3 times now, and it's just been a little trampoline, which is exactly what we want to see. We had another high here, which is super bullish. Like if we just went against this resistance here and then came down here, it would have been pretty bearish. But now we've used this resistance here as support, as a tramp, and that's enough liquidity. Like we've had a full-on liquidation event. We've grabbed enough liquidity for another move up. We need to break this downtrend here, which we can easily bounce off here and then come back down again. That's fine, that can happen. It just means it's going to take more time. So it's all about patience and waiting for these lines to break. There's going to be resistance here. There's going to be another resistance here, but we want to see these lines break and get used as support for another move up. And that's exactly what we want to see. And if we can break out of this here and get above here, we're fucking off, man. This thing's going to skyrocket. Otherwise, if we can't break here yet, we could see some sideways and 93 is always on the cards, but I don't think it's going to happen. We've had this liquidation event, rah-de-rah. I was talking about that in the last video, so I think we're good. I think we're good. So, we pray. ASTER. ASTER's another good one. I think it's a really good bid now. I was talking to a friend yesterday when we were at we just came out of this line here. This is before CZ got pardoned by Trump. And I said, man, I think the bottom is in. I think that is in. I called the top here, not publicly, but it was. I think it was during a Thread Guy stream or something when Cooker was up like 250 mil or something, and he tweeted, "Cooker's up 250 mil," and this was up here, and I sold. I was like, nah. That it was just the ultimate top signal when you've got Solana Coles up that much fucking money. Whether it was true or not, that is an insta sell. But yeah, it's just good bidding. You can add to longs. Just start adding to longs here if you've already been long up here. You just DCA a little bit. Just be really careful for a nice swing. But ASTER's looking really good, especially with the CD pardoning, and I think they've got some big things coming, I believe. So yeah, in terms of majors, I think ASTER probably has one of the bigger, and Pump probably has one of the bigger R&R opportunities. Now, as for shitcoins, in the last video I was talking when Lion was down at 1.5. I was talking about bids there. You would have got a nice little 2x if you're a trader. I don't really trade like that. I like to just buy like big rips like this, and I'll continue to buy more rips, and I'll be patient. I'm happy to wait, and I'm looking to reclaim new highs. That's my plan there anyway. But this is what's so important about being patient and having that. Yeah, having that patience is going to give you the chance to, what's the word? Risk management. That's the word. So when you're able to just be patient and wait and not buy the euphoria, you're going to get a chance to just buy dips. And because you've only bought dips, you can now manage your risk a lot more. So you can actually be aping bigger amounts here, or larger amounts, I should say. And if it starts to look shit, then you're actually not going to lose that much. Yeah, simple as that. You know, you can just be buying little bit, even if you DCA and just buy, you know, a couple sold here, and as it gets lower and lower, you just buy little bit by little bit. As long as you still believe in the meme and the community and all that, then you should be fine, you know. But if it starts turning to shit, because you've only bought dips, you've got good risk management, so you can cut for not too much of a loss. People up here are already down 80%. You know, NEET is still one that I've been buying. I bought some more at 31, a little bit early there, but I got some around this dip here. But it's still looking really good. Yeah, I'm a NEET. Everyone's going to be a NEET. I think it's going to be a massively relevant meme heading into the end of the year. But there's so many. And with that, I bid you farewell and say thank you. Thanks for watching. Drop a like, retweet, subscribe, depending on what platform you're on. We do have the limitless bet. I'll let you know how that goes and if anyone wins that giveaway. Thanks, everybody. Goodbye.